mother of 2 beautiful daughters. I also head a department at a local bank in Lebanon. The remarkable flexibility that Unicaf has provided me has helped me to balance between my work, my family, and my online MBA studies with Marymount California University in USA. Eliminating the costs of air travel, accommodation, and purchase of textbooks, Unicaf was extraordinary in providing me with the superior knowledge and tools to advance in my career. An MBA degree from a respectable university is a costly business. With the help of Unicaf, I was able to enroll in a reputable university and complete my MBA studies without placing an added burden on the family budget. Furthermore, Unicaf's flexibility is noteworthy. I was pregnant with my second baby and afraid to miss out assignments, deadlines while delivering. Fortunately, due to Unicaf's sympathetic instructors, I was able to manage. I completed my work on time, and while I'm on maternity leave, being at home with my babies, I was still able to productively and complete my MBA modules. Unicaf has broadened my thinking. The various modules I took strengthened the problem-solving and writing abilities, as well as my financial analysis and risk assessment skills. The structure of the courses I took was multidisciplinary, whereby one assignment led to other completing a definite plan. Unicaf's virtual learning environment facilitated open discussions with colleagues, fellow students, and tutors, bringing us together and enabling us to learn from each other's professional experience. I was also exposed to differences in doing business and management concepts in diverse cultural environments. My professional expertise has expanded, and I have grown in my career. I have enhanced my management skills, and I recognize the importance of human resources, becoming more sensitive to the needs of my subordinates. This tremendously affected my work and reputation. As a result, I was promoted to a higher managerial position. I highly recommend enrolling in one of Unicaf's MBA programs for several reasons. Most importantly, Unicaf's university partnerships are internationally recognized, and its well-structured programs are taught by highly qualified instructors and tutors. I say to all who are hesitant, time is flying, widen your skills and knowledge by pursuing an MBA degree with Unicaf, studying at your own convenient time, and paying a lot less for your fees with the help of Unicaf's scholarship. It is for all these reasons that I feel grateful to Unicaf. I would not have been able to complete my MBA degree or get promoted at work, or most importantly, keep up with my family and work commitments throughout my studies. And if I didn't have this support, so I sincerely wish to thank Unicaf for everything it has provided me and for helping me to change my life. Thank you.